Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Halloween crafts is probably one of the most fun and creative ways to celebrate this spooky holiday with your kids, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash their imaginations and create memorable keepsakes while developing essential skills such as fine motor dexterity and collaborative teamwork, making it a perfect blend of entertainment and educational value for children of all ages and skill levels. Number 5. Made by Me Halloween Window Art Kit. Unleash your creativity with this Halloween window art kit. It's perfect for a fun and spooky staycation activity. With 8 different glow-in-the-dark window paints, you can mix and match to design scary cool sun catchers and creepy window clings. Decorate 12 ready-to-paint suncatcher frames featuring Halloween favorites like Frankenstein, Dracula, and pumpkins. They'll add a festive touch to any window. Trace and create your own unique window clings of spiders, ghosts, and jack-o'-lanterns using the included acetate sheet. They're easy to make and add a spooky atmosphere. Simply squeeze the paints into the frames or onto the acetate sheet, let it dry, and attach them using the suction cups and cording. It's that simple. This kit includes 8 vibrant window paints, an acetate sheet, cord, suction cups, 12 suncatcher frames, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need for hours of creative fun. What we like? If you are looking for a Halloween craft with a unique glow-in-the-dark feature, this is it. It includes various designs, making it perfect for kids of all ages. The easy-to-hang feature makes it a great choice for decorating windows quickly and easily. What people say? Yes, the kids squirt out too much paint, but the opposite side still looks good. They have fun and we put them on the windows all month. It's a great family activity or for a play date with several kiddos. Easy to use. Good size for little hands. Great quality, great colors, great fun. I have purchased window art kits like this from other vendors and not been happy with the quality of the paint. This one was great. Fresh paint and quite a few colors to choose from. Number 4. National Geographic Creepy Creatures Kit. It's time for some spooky fun. This kit lets your child transform plain rocks into creepy crawlies. With 10 vibrant paint colors, your child can paint 10 rocks and create their own unique Halloween decorations. Add some extra fun with 30 googly eyes. They're perfect for giving those creepy creatures extra personality. 2 sheets of transfer decals make decorating super simple. Just peel, stick, and watch the design magically appear. It's more than just a craft kit, it's a fun and educational experience. We're committed to providing high-quality toys for kids. What we like? If your kids love painting and decorating, this kit is perfect. It offers a variety of colors and fun transfer decals to create unique spooky rock creatures. It's a great way to encourage creativity and make fun Halloween decorations. What people say? The rocks can be painted with glow-in-the-dark paints, included, and used as paperweights or placed where other rock hounds can find them. They could also be placed for geocaching, or they might look great in a garden. Each kit comes with about 10 rocks, all different sizes, a package of glow-in-the-dark paint, and a package of regular paint, paint brushes, and lots of fun stickers. Kids can enjoy it for a long time. When they get through painting them, they can be proud of what they made. Number 3. Creativity for Kids Halloween Window Art. Get ready for some spooky fun. This kit makes creating your own Halloween window clings super easy and fun for kids of all ages. With 7 different designs to choose from, including pumpkins, ghosts, and witches' hats, there's something for everyone. Let your imagination run wild. It comes with everything you need: colorful window paints, rhinestones, wiggly eyes, and pre-cut foam shapes. No need for freehand drawing. Simply fill in the foam outlines with paint, add some sparkly rhinestones and wiggly eyes, and let it dry. Then, peel and stick them to any window. These window clings are perfect for parties, gifts, or just decorating your own home for Halloween. It's a great way to celebrate the holiday with friends and family. Creativity for Kids has been inspiring young artists since 1976. This kit is recommended for ages 6 and up, making it a perfect activity for kids and adults to enjoy together. What we like? If you're looking for a simple and mess-free Halloween craft, this kit is ideal. The foam outlines make it easy for young children to create spooky window clings. It's perfect for kids who want quick and satisfying results. What people say. The kids had fun making them and they were easy to hang since you just stick them to your window, which was much appreciated. My 9-year-old loves them. Love these glittery sun catchers. No string, no suction cups that fall off window, no mess. Just stick on and peel off. Use again next year, still sticks. Number 2. Max Fun Halloween Craft Kit. Get ready for some spooky fun. This craft kit is packed with everything you need to create your own Halloween masterpieces. It includes foam stickers, pumpkins, googly eyes, and more. You'll also find cords and colorful pens to personalize your creations. Made from soft, non-toxic EVA foam, it's perfect for kids. These durable materials ensure your creations last. The pumpkins are just the right size for decorating. Kids can easily paint, write, and add their own unique touches. Decorate Halloween cards, bulletin boards, or anything you can imagine. It's also a great way to spend quality time with your kids. These fun crafts make wonderful gifts or party favors. Share the Halloween spirit with friends and family. What we like. If you need a bulk craft kit with lots of supplies for a Halloween party or classroom, this is a great option. It includes various foam pumpkins, stickers, and other materials for kids to decorate. The versatile nature of the kit allows for many creative options. What people say. The pieces are well made. My daughter loves the ease of decorating these pumpkins. Plenty of pumpkins and plenty of stickers, they will last us all month long. Granddaughters love them, easy to draw on. Number 1. For ease, Novelty Halloween Bookmark Craft. Get ready for some spooky fun. This Halloween craft kit has everything you need to create unique and personalized bookmarks. It's super easy to use with self-adhesive foam stickers. No glue, no mess, just creative fun for kids of all ages. With 6 unique designs to choose from, it's perfect for kids to express their creativity and make their own Halloween masterpieces. These prepackaged kits are ideal for classrooms, parties, or any Halloween gathering. Each child gets their own kit for individual fun. It's a great way to celebrate Halloween while developing fine motor skills and creativity. Kids will love creating their own spooky bookmarks. Whether it's a classroom activity or a Halloween party, this bulk pack ensures everyone has a fun and creative experience. What we like. If you want a fun, mess-free craft activity, this bookmark kit is perfect. The self-adhesive stickers make it easy for kids to create personalized Halloween bookmarks. It's a great choice for classrooms or parties. What people say. Cute crafts we did in my toddler LS pre-K class. Eyes hard to remove, luckily teachers removed them and they worked. I got them for my son's classroom, they loved them and the teacher really liked them and how they are wrapped individually. I like this one because it was cute and functional as a bookmark. I like that when it arrived each bookmark was in its own pack, so I did not have to go through an entire bag of random stickers and sort out pieces for each bookmark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.